Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm super excited to chat about the QUEFE Pony Beads Kit. If you're into crafts, love DIY projects, or just want a fun activity to do with friends or kids, this set is seriously up your alley. I've been dying to share my thoughts because it's one of those creative tools that brings so much joy and endless possibilities. Whether you're planning a party, a family craft day, or just looking for a way to unwind, this kit has you covered. It's affordable, easy to use, and totally versatile. Perfect for anyone who loves making things by hand. Stay tuned because I've got all the deets on why this little box of beads has become a staple in my craft stash. Okay, so I recently got the QUEFE Pony Beads Kit for my bestie's birthday, and let me just say, it totally blew my mind. When the box arrived, I was already excited, but opening it, OMG. The moment I saw all those 3,000 beads in 72 colors, sorted and organized, I knew we were in for a fun afternoon. The colors are everything. Vibrant rainbow shades, pastels, bright neon ones. It's like a rainbow exploded in the best way possible. Setting it up was super easy. Everything came in these neat little compartments, so we didn't waste any time sorting. My friend and I jumped right in, and the first thing we noticed? The beads feel amazing in our hands. Smooth, not rough at all, and the holes are perfectly sized for threading. We started with simple bracelets, and the elastic strings included are stretchy just right, so they stay on without snapping. It felt so satisfying to create something together, and the variety meant we never ran out of ideas. Honestly, this kit is a craft lover's dream come true. One of the things I adore about these beads is how versatile they are. We didn't just stop at bracelets. After we made a few, we got super creative. We tried making necklaces, and the beads worked perfectly for that too. I even experimented with keychains, using some of the smaller beads and adding charms. The quality is seriously impressive for the price. They don't feel cheap or flimsy like some other craft supplies I've tried. They're sturdy enough that even after we pour bracelets on and off a bunch of times, we're pretty active, they still looked brand new. The elastic strings are also really durable. I've seen some friends' bracelets lose elasticity over time, but ours stayed stretchy and strong. It's also so easy to thread. The beads glide onto the string without any hassle, which made the whole process stress-free. Whether you're a total crafting newbie or a pro, this kit is super user-friendly and opens up so many possibilities. I took this kit to my cousin's summer camp last week, and it was a total hit. We had a craft hour scheduled, and the counselors were nervous about keeping the kids busy, but these beads saved the day. There were like 10 kids in our group, and we each got to make our own bracelets, necklaces, you name it. The best part? There were still so many beads left over. The kit seriously comes with enough supplies for a whole crowd, which is perfect for group activities. The kids love picking their favorite colors and mixing them up, and the letter and heart beads added a personal touch. Some kids spelled out their names or added hearts for extra flair. I loved watching them get so into it. It kept them focused and entertained for hours. Plus, everything packed up nicely afterward. The storage case is compact and easy to carry, which made cleanup a breeze. Seeing those kids' faces light up when they finished their creations, worth every penny. While I'm totally in love with this kit, I will say there are a couple of tiny things I'd change. For one, I wish there were a few more red beads. My little sister kept asking for more of that color, and we kind of ran out faster than expected. Also, while the variety is amazing, I do wish there were a couple extra specialty shapes beyond the hearts and letters, just to mix things up even more. But seriously, these are super minor quibbles because overall, the kit is incredible value. For $13, you get so much: 3,000 beads, elastic strings, and even extra accessories. Compared to other craft sets I've seen at the store, this one blows them out of the water. The organizer case is another big plus. It keeps everything tidy and prevents tiny beads from getting lost. I've already used mine a bunch of times, and it's still just as organized as the day I got it. Honestly, even with those tiny wishes, this set is an absolute steal. Let me tell you about the afternoon me and my little sister spent with this kit. It was pure magic. She's only 7, and I was worried she might get frustrated with threading beads, but nope. The beads are the perfect size for little fingers, and the elastic string is forgiving enough that she could handle it without help. We made matching friendship bracelets, and she was so proud of herself when she finished. We even tried making a beaded bookmark, which turned out adorable. What I loved most was how it sparked her creativity. She kept coming up with new ideas, like adding tiny sparkly accents. We had some extra glitter lying around and mixing patterns. Hours flew by without either of us checking our phones. We were just absorbed in creating. It's moments like these that make me grateful for craft supplies like this. One afternoon turned into a memory we'll both cherish. Plus, cleanup was a breeze since everything stays in a case. Moments like this? Exactly why I love crafting with kids. It's bonding, learning, and fun all in one. If you're wondering about value, let me break it down. This kit is a total bargain. I've spent way more on craft sets that gave way less. Like, seriously? $13 for 3,000 beads and all the tools? Yes, please. The quality holds up, too. After multiple uses, the beads still look brand new, and the elastic hasn't loosened or snapped. I've also noticed that because everything is pre-sorted, it cuts down on prep time. No more digging through bins trying to find a specific shade. It's all right there in the compartments. The storage case is super practical. I keep mine on my craft table, and it fits perfectly without taking over the whole space. It's also great for gifting. My aunt loved getting a similar kit for her daughter's birthday, and she said the organized layout made it feel extra special. For anyone who loves crafting, DIY projects, or just wants to keep kids busy in a productive way, this set is an absolute must-have. You really can't go wrong with the quantity and quality you get here. So, would I buy this again? In a heartbeat. This QUEFE Pony Beads Kit has become a staple in my craft stash. It's inspired so many projects, from simple bracelets to Fujita necklaces, and I've even used it for DIY gifts. The endless color options mean I never get bored, and the addition of letters and hearts makes personalization a breeze. I've gifted it to a few friends now, and their reactions are always the same. Wow, there's so much stuff. Whether you're planning a birthday party, a sleepover, or just a chill craft day with friends, this kit delivers. It's durable, versatile, and seriously fun. The only downside? My wallet might cry when I keep buying more color packs. But hey, a girl has to have options, right? If you're looking for a craft set that's easy, satisfying, and perfect for anyone who loves creating, this is totally it. Trust me, you'll be glued to those beads for hours. Hey girlies, if you're obsessed with crafting magic like this, smash that like button and subscribe now. Let's string up more colorful creations together. Every click adds another bead to your creative journey. Don't miss out on our next craft adventure. Your perfect project is just a subscription away.